Okay guys, welcome to my video. Today we're playing pickleball with my... Come here! Come here! With my... Come here! Tita! Tita! Why are you acting like that?
Go.
3, 2, 1. Instead you did it! Ate Laura, you did it! Let's go. You did it! Okay, that's our cheerer. Oh! I don't want to get headshotted again, bro. That! Oh. Mind you, take it slow, shake, shake. Bro got headshotted. Mind you, take it slow, shake, shake, shake. Ah! My finger. That. That's
Why?
it. Why don't you know how to play pickleball?
Ikaw Oh. Me? How can I?
Oh! Wait.